In this video, I will show you how to manage box permissions in Claude to keep your workspace organized and secure. Integrating external tools with your AI environment is a powerful way to streamline your workflow, but it is essential to know exactly how to handle the access levels. To begin the process, you need to navigate to the Connectors section within your Claude settings. This is where you manage all third-party integrations that allow Claude to interact with your external files and data. Once you are in the Connectors area, look for the option to connect Box to Claude. You will be prompted to sign into your Box account if you have not already done so. After the connection is established, the most critical step is to review the permissions. This part of the interface shows you exactly what Claude can see and do within your Box folders. You should carefully look through the list of requested access rights to ensure they align with your security preferences. If you need to change anything, you can usually toggle specific access points or update the scopes directly in your Box Developer Console or integration settings. Monitoring these permissions regularly ensures that your sensitive documents remain protected while still giving the AI enough context to be helpful. By keeping a close eye on these settings, you maintain a healthy balance between automation and data privacy. Managing these links only takes a moment but provides long-term peace of mind for your professional projects. Thank you for watching this guide on setting up your Box workspace with Claude.